People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel, people. If this is your first time over here, thank you for tuning in, and please remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. You don't know, so over here, so we drop the latest breaking news, people, what's happening in Jamaica and around the world. So today we are going to talk about Spice, Grace Hamilton, people. We're going to talk about the one and only Spice. So people, Spice finally receives her MTV Movie and TV Award for Love and Hip Hop Atlanta reality show, people. The Queen of Dancehall, along with her Love and Hip Hop Atlanta cast members, walk away with the Reality Royalty Award at last year's staging. The smash hit VH1 doc soap franchise won the award over The Challenge, Jersey Shore, Family Vacation, The Bachelor, and Vanderpump Rules. Spice shared a video with her award on Thursday night with the caption, "Thanks MTV Movie Awards, big up Love and Hip Hop." Right there, so big up all the cast members, people.
Hey guys, I got my MTV Movie Awards. Well, this was from last year, but I just got it in the mail like a few days ago. So I wanted to say thank you to MTV for this award, and of course Love and Hip Hop family, because we got this baby for reality royalty. Tongue twisters. Anyway, I'm not edit the video, so see it ya. Presented to Spice, reality royalty, Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. Yeah. I see my name on it. Make sure you see this, you know. Carve out MTV. Yeah. Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. Because I'm a cast member them. Yeah. Let me get Jamaica now. Yeah, girl. Award over here, so. Watch MTV Movie Awards right here, so. Go in a living room. Watch your song. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
The 29th MTV Movie and TV Awards ceremony took place June 15, 2019 at the Barker Hanker in Santa Monica, California, with host Zachary Levy, and was broadcast 2 days later in June 17, 2019. So it happened last year, but she finally got her award, people. And you don't know, people, you know, I always rate Spice no matter what she do. You see me, I say, if she do foolishness, we are going to call her out. But Spice has always been so positive in whatever she do. And if anybody attack her, you don't know, so she have got done them. If them, she not go around and trouble people, but if she is provoked, you already know, say she's gonna go in and done some people. So yo, people, the big breaking news this morning, people, on Instagram. Yes, people, Spice is wishing her boyfriend a happy birthday. Spice come out strong, cause if you see Spice a post man on her Instagram, I wish them happy birthday and know say something or something, people. There's been speculations for like about months now. People been speculating that Spice find new man or have somebody special in her life. And everybody don't know the big breakup with Spice and Nicholas, over what? I don't remember how long that was. But everybody don't know, say, they're not an item no more. So obviously each person are going to move on and have them significant other. But Spice never too really post up man pan her thing like that. So you don't know, say she come out strong this morning and wish our man a happy birthday. The caption says, "Help me wish me nice clean man happy birthday," and tag the brother. "Today belongs to you, baby. I'm glad we started this journey because you easily bring out the better version of me. Thank you for being such a great father figure to my kids and an awesome lover to me. Watch love over here, so me skin out all weekend. Bye." That's the caption Spice wrote under the numerous pictures that they took together, people. You see me? Big up yourself, Spice. Congratulations. So the whole world now know who Spice did hide. Or I wouldn't say hide, because people did already figure out who it is. Because you have some private investigators who sit down on social media and study other people like before them go study for them. So people did already figure out who the guy was, but they wasn't too sure. So Spice just confirmed it this morning by wishing the youth happy birthday. So you don't know, I'm happy for Spice. If she's happy, then you don't know, say everybody should be happy for her as well, because you know a lot she's been through, and if you find love and find somebody that is committed to you, is a joy. And once again, big up Spice. Congratulations. Out and bad, people. Drop some comments. Let me know what you think about this, people. What y'all think about Spice breaking the internet this morning with this bombshell? Shensi a comment saying, Ray, come out. Me live Fissy Spice poster, man. Whoa, it mix up. Yeah, man, like, everybody in the comment section is actually happy for her. And, you know, they're just happy Fissy Spice. Happy overall. Let me know in the comment section what you think, people. Big up in yourself once again. Much love and appreciation.